looked at numbers. So who can help me? Numbers from 1 to 10. Numbers 1 to 10. Who is willing to help us? Maybe we should take it. No, hold on. We'll take it one after the other. So if you take 1 to 5, Olasukami, you take 6 to 10. Titolua, are you there? You take 11 to 15. Don't worry, just take the one I tell you to take. Don't worry about that. Mololua, you take 11 to 15. Sorry, Titolua, Animi, you take 11 to 15. Mololua, you take 16 to 20. And then Habib, just take 21 and 22. Ajibola, if you can try, take 23 and 24. And then Habiba, just give us the last one, 25. Okay, and let's stop there for now. Okay, so Ife, are we ready to go? So let's go. 1, 2, 5.
Oko. Edgy.
Is it edgy or ag?
Edgy.
Okay.
Eta. Henry. Arun.
Otayo. Okay, Dada. Who's next?
Eshe.
Alasukami. Alasukami, oh yeah.
Yes.
Bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti 6 títí dé 10. Yeah, Emido. Emire. Remire.
Ẹ̀jọ.
Kò ń ṣe ẹjọ.
Ẹ̀jọ.
Ẹ ṣe ẹjọ.
Ẹ̀jọ.
Correct.
Ẹ̀sán. Ẹ̀wá.
Àtẹ́wọ́ fún rẹ. You all are doing good. Titolúwa ni mí.
Ọ̀kànlá, èjìlá, ẹ̀tàlá, ẹ̀rìnlá, àrùndínlógún,
Ó dàbí òtítọ́.
ẹ̀tàdín.
Okay. Who's next? Ololuwa. Yeah. 16 to 20.
16. Mẹ́rìndínlógún. 13. Ẹ̀tàdínlógún. 12. 18. Èjìdínlógún. 19. Ọ̀kàndínlógún. 20.
Okay, everybody's doing very fine. I'm happy. Yeah. Great. Okay, Habib, you are taking 21, 22. Let's go. Oh, yeah, Habib. Gbìyànjú. Oh, yeah, 21 and 22.
Oko. 21 is Oko Ogo. Oko Le Ogo.
Yeah, Okanle Logun. Yeah. 22. Great attempt. One more than 20. That's Okanle. I've told you more is Le, less is D. So it is Le, so it's one more. Yeah, so what's 22? 2 more than 20. What's 2? 2, then more than 20.
Oko something.
No, you got wait. You got 21, right? 21 is Okan, that's 1. Le more, Ogun is 20. So 1 more than 20. Okan Le Logun. So just make it 2 more than 20. What's 2? What's 2? Okay, 2 is Meiji. 2 is Meiji, right? So what will be 2 more than 20?
Meiji Elgo.
Correct. It's as simple as that. Meiji lelogun is as simple as that. Mọ́kàn lelogun. Meiji lelogun. Right? Great. So who's doing 23 and 24? Before Habiba will give us 25. I think it's Ajibola. Okay, so Ajibola, can you try?
What number?
23 and 24.
Okay, 23, 24. Mẹ́tàlélógún. Oya, sọ̀rọ̀. 23.
Mẹ́tàlélógún.
And 24?
Mẹ́rìnlélógún.
Correct. Good try. Thank you, Grandma. All right, so that's the way it is. 1 is open. So
one video so that màá lè fi kọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, màmá send it. Tẹ́ bá ti ṣe tó ẹ lè kọ chat mi kí n má gbàgbé bọ́ èmi náà rántí. Màá send it, all right. So you have 1 more than 20. Ọ̀kan lé ní ogún, right? 2 more than 20. Èjì lé ní ogún. Then you have 3 more than 20. Mẹ́ta lé ní ogún. 4 more than 20. Mẹ́rin lé ní ogún. Now we're going to 25. Remember the rule. You know, when you do Roman numeral, there are rules, right? You can have 1 more than 3 times. That's like in Roman numerals, you can have I. It's not possible. You can only have I 3 times, which is I, max 3. Once you get to 4, it will be 5 minus 1. So if your 5 is V and 1 is I, so you say 1 before 5. So I comes before V. That's why you have your 4 in Roman numerals to be IV. And then 6 will be 1 after 5, which will be VI, right? But you can only have 1 maximum of 3 times. That's why you can only have it till you get to 8. When you get to 9, the rule goes again. You have to do 1 less than 10, which is I, 1 before X, right? And then 11 is 1 after, right? X, then I. So it's just the same thing in the Yoruba language. There are rules to it. Just understand the rules, okay? And you flow easily. It's not difficult at all, okay? So Habiba, do you want to try? Elizabeth, Cabo. Habiba, do you want to try 25? Now, okay. you have skipped the rules. Marulelogo would have just been correct based on where we're coming from, which is, I love what you did, but that's not according to the rule, right? There is a rule. Once you get to 5, you take the last round number. So you start counting from 30 less.
Oh.
Do you get that now? So from 20, you go 20 plus 1, 20 plus 2, 20 plus 3, 20 plus 4. Once you get to 4, you don't do 20 plus 5. It's against the rule. You do 30 minus 5. The same thing when you get to 31. You do 31, 32, 33, 34. When you get to 35, you don't do 5 plus 30. You rather do 40 minus 5. So that's the rule. Okay? So if 30 is ogbon, that's what 30 is, right? So 30 is ogbon. 20 is ogun. So 30 is ogbon. So I want you to take 5 away from ogbon. So what would that be if you have to pronounce it in Yoruba? What's 5? What's 5? Let's start with that. Márùn, good. What's less?
Din.
Good. So you have márùn, you have din, and then you have 30. What's 30? Ogbon. So put it together. So what do you say? Put everything together.
Ogbon.
Ogbon. Correct. Márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n. Period. That's just it. You see that it's not difficult at all. It's just understand the rules, know your number, the simple numbers, then you know how to play around the numbers. Okay. Elizabeth, can you put on your camera? Can I see your face? Okay. All right. Thank you, everybody. So I think that lesson you all did excellently well. So my part of you all made me proud. You all are doing very good. Okay. All you just need is practice. Practice, nothing. Yoruba, you need a lot of practice so that your tongue, you get used to it. Okay? It's just like speaking phonetics or speaking, American English. You need to practice a lot. Start talking like Americans, right? So it's just the same way, okay? You just need to practice. That's all. You guys are doing wonderfully, seriously. But you need to practice, okay? All right, so that's a call. It's all right.